Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do some fidget spinner tricks, tips and tricks for your fidget spinner. This is the best thing, the most recent trend, as you can see. Now, fidget spinners are made from bearings, plastic and metal, as you can see here. As you can see, think about what I got spin. Look at that, man. Fucking kill you. Kill you. Now, tricks, tips and tricks with your fidget spinner. Put it on one finger. One finger. On fuck's sake. You put one finger and switch it to the next. Fuck it out. Put it on your middle finger. Switch it to your and switch it to your index finger. As you can see, that's go. Fucking, I'm killing myself. Fuck this. Fuck this. I hate it. Now, as you can see, this is one that takes true skill to do. Look at the fidget spinner. This is the best invention ever made. Now, the reason why the minion is set up in that corner, like there, there's a reason why it's there. These things are good weapons as well. Look, watch it. Oh, now I'm gonna use this. Now that nigga's dead. Now that's the end of the video. Black and next time we'll do some more fidget spinning. So, fuck these things. So, peace out, niggers. Peace out, niggers.